Hi there, I'm your Dave here. So today we're gonna cook crispy chicken curry puff. Let's start.
The ingredients we are going to use are flour, ice cubes, plain water, Himalayan salt and butter. The main items to cook gravy are potato, ginger, onion, garlic, curry leaf, celery, chicken and oil. Cut the potatoes into cubes and prepare the curry leaf, celery and onion like this, and make ginger garlic paste and chop the chicken. Okay guys, now for the cooking gravy part. Now we must use chicken masala. So here is the chicken masala. So this one is the homemade chicken masala guys. First pour some oil to the pan and heat it up. And then add onion. Fry the onion until color becomes golden brown. Next, add some ginger garlic paste. Next, add the chicken. Next, add some salt. Add the curry leaves. Just stir it up until the chicken is cooked. Now add the potatoes. Now add the chicken masala. And mix it well. Okay guys, you must wait the potato fully cooked, and you can add some more masala if you need more spice, and you can add more salt according to your taste buds. Okay guys, the gravy is ready. Okay, before we transfer into the bowl, so add some celery. Okay guys, just dilute the salt into like this salt water. Okay, then Add 2 tablespoons of salt water like this into the flour, and then add the butter. Okay, and then just mix it up. Just mix it evenly, guys. Then only the curry puff will be crispier. Okay guys, next add some ice water into the flour. Okay, just 3 scoops. Because this ice water make the dough more evenly and will make the curry puff more crispier. So just add the ice water until the dough become even. Okay guys, just mix it well. Okay guys, just mix the dough until the dough become like this, soft. Then only the curry puff will be crispier. Okay. Okay guys, let's make the dough something like this, round. Okay, perfect. Then just put it to the floor like this, and take some flour and sprinkle onto it. Okay. Then just put here, and then just roll. Okay guys, so the dough has to be like this, something like this, round. Okay guys, so take the curry puff shaper, you can buy it online also, and then take the dough. Okay, and then put some water. Okay, the reason I'm putting water is because it will be stick the curry puff, if not it will be apart away. Okay, and then take the patty. Okay, little bit enough, put inside. Okay, and then just close. Okay. Take the extra part. And then curry puff ready. Okay guys, the curry puffs, let's spread it up. Okay guys, let's start fry. Guys, okay guys, the final product is here. Crispy chicken curry puff is finally ready. Okay guys, let's start to eat it with our tea. Hot. Here guys, really crispy. Cool guys, really hot. Let's taste it. Guys, really nice for your evening snack. You must try it. Guys, the chicken quite cooked well. You must try this guys at your home, and please comment below if you try already. And guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye, signing off, Dave.